Many startups fail because they build solutions to problems no one actually has. The biggest mistake founders make is guessing what people want instead of listening. But what if you could flip that around? What if you had a system that listens 24/7 to real conversations on Reddit and finds pain points and market gaps for you? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build this using n8n, a no-code automation tool. We'll create an AI-powered agent that searches subreddits based on the keywords you give it, finds unsolved problems, and turns them into validated startup ideas. The results will be neatly compiled into a detailed report and sent straight to your Google Drive so you can stop guessing and start building with data. I'm Brian from WebSpace Learners, and let's get started. To find the ideas for our business, we are going to do two parts. The first part is to set up the n8n automation. n8n is an automation tool that lets you connect different apps and services to automate tasks. Now, this is where we'll build and run automations, and you'll only need to set it up once. So we're going to do this in just 3 simple steps. The first step is to get the n8n hosting. Now, there are 3 different ways you can use n8n. The first option is to host n8n locally on your own computer. The first option is free, but it is more complex to set up. The second option is using WebSpace Kit for hosting n8n. This is the most quickest and the low-cost way to host n8n. This costs just $5 per month or 400 Indian rupees per month. It's easy to use with zero setup required. You also get unlimited workflow executions and unlimited active workflows. The third option is the n8n Cloud, which is the official platform by n8n. This costs £24 per month, which is approximately $27. It's much more expensive and the features are limited too. In this video, we're going to purchase n8n from WebSpace Kit, where we get unlimited workflow executions and unlimited active workflows. Since n8n is open source, you get much more benefits when you host it on your own on a platform like WebSpace Kit. So to host n8n on WebSpace Kit, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this page. Now scroll down, now click here. Here choose how long you want the hosting for. I'm going to choose 12 months. If you choose 24 months, this gives you the best price, which is $5 per month. Then fill in these details, enter your payment details, and click checkout. So now we have successfully made the payment and we've got our n8n hosting. Now click here and you can see that our plan is active. So let's go to step 2, which is to set up n8n. So to set it up, click manage, just scroll down and click go to setup. Here fill in these details, click next, and it'll take you to this page. So now we have successfully set up n8n. We've got our own instance of n8n on our own URL like you see here. This is completely private for you and only you can use it. Once you reach this page, this means you can now start adding and running your workflows. And you have 2 options. You can either create a new workflow and then build the automation manually by adding each node one by one, or you can use the ready-made automation template, which lets you quickly import the workflow and lets you add the agent immediately. To make things easier, I've created a workflow that is already available in WebSpace Kit. So let's move on to the third step, which is to import the workflow template. To import the template, first we need to download the template. To do that, go back to this tab, scroll down, search for the Reddit Idea Scraper AI agent from this list, and click download. And the workflow will be saved to your computer. To import it, go back to n8n, click start from scratch, then click here, select import from file, upload the file you just downloaded, and as you can see here, the workflow has been imported. Let's change the name of the workflow. Okay, as you can see in the workflow below, some of the nodes have warning signs, which means they still need to be set up before everything works properly. To do that, let's move on to the second part of the video, which is to set up the workflow nodes. To do that, we're going to do 3 steps. The first step is to connect a Reddit account to the workflow. And to connect it, you'll need to provide the credentials that allow n8n to access the Reddit API. To do that, click on the node, go to credentials for Reddit, and click create new credential. A new window will pop up asking for the client ID and the client secret. To get those, first we'll need to log into Reddit. So just click the link below this video and it'll take you to the Reddit login page. So if you don't have an account, you can click here to create one. I'm going to log in using my Google account. And once you're logged in, it'll take you to this page. Once you're on this page, to get the client ID and secret key, first we need to make our app in the Reddit developer console. To connect to the Reddit API, click here, Enter the name for the application. Now go back to n8n, copy the redirect URL, come back to the Reddit tab, paste it here, and click here to create an app. Here you can see we've got the client ID and the client secret. Now copy the client ID and paste it here. In the same way, copy the client secret ID and paste it here. Once you're done, click Connect My Account and a Reddit authorization window will appear asking for permission. Click Allow. And now that your account has been connected successfully, close this window and go back to the workflow page. Once you connect one node to the workflow, simply open the other nodes and it will connect automatically. And the error icon will disappear from them. Just open each node and you'll see the credentials already getting connected. And now we have successfully connected Reddit to the workflow. Next, let's go to the second step, which is to connect our OpenAI account to the workflow. OpenAI will be used to analyze the Reddit posts and provide meaningful insights. Click on one of the OpenAI chat model nodes. Go to credential to connect with. Select create new credential and it will ask for your API key. To get that, click the link below this video and it will take you to the OpenAI platform. Sign in with your Google account. Click on create new secret key. Enter a key name and click create secret key. Now you will get the API key. Copy that. Go back to n8n. Paste it here and click save. Now that the OpenAI connection is successful, simply open the other OpenAI nodes and it will connect automatically. We have successfully connected OpenAI to the workflow, and next we can move on to the third step, which is to connect Google Docs to the workflow. Connecting Google Docs to the workflow will help store and organize the generated reports. And to do that, click on the HTTP request node. Now click on create new credential here. And this requires the client ID and the client secret from Google Cloud Console. To get the credentials, just click the link in the description and it will take you to the Google Cloud Console. Remember, you need to do the upcoming steps only once and then you can reuse the same credential for all the future workflows. First, we need to create a new project. So let's select a project, then click on new project and here enter a name for your project. I'm going to enter Idea Scraper and click create. As you can see, our project is created, and once the project is created, select the project, go to APIs and services, select libraries, search for Google Docs API, click enable. Now go back to library, search for Google Drive API and enable it. Then go to OAuth consent screen and click get started. Here enter a simple name for the app. I'm going to enter Idea Scraper. Then here select your email ID and click next. Here select external, click next, enter your email ID again click next, then check this box, click continue and then click create. Now go to audience, click on publish app, click confirm, and now on the left sidebar, go to credentials, click create credentials and select OAuth client ID. For application type, choose web application and give it a name. I'm going to enter Idea Scraper again. And now we have to enter the OAuth URL here. So go back to your n8n workflow and copy the OAuth redirect URL from the Google Docs credential window and paste it in the Google Cloud Console. Click create and a window will pop up with your client ID and the client secret. Copy the client ID and paste it in the Google Cloud Console. Then copy the client secret and again paste it into n8n. Now click sign up with Google. Choose your Google account. grant all the necessary permissions by selecting Select All and then click Continue. And now that the connection is successful, simply open all the other nodes and it will connect automatically. And we have now successfully connected Google Docs to the workflow. Now we can run the automation workflow. As you can see, first we need to enter a subreddit related to your niche on Reddit. So to find the subreddits for our niche, we're going to use ChatGPT. And here we'll enter a specific prompt. And you can find the prompt by clicking the link in the description. Paste it into ChatGPT. Next, replace the niche in the prompt with your own niche. I'm going to enter remote work as an example. And once you've added your niche, click here. And as you can see, it has given us the active subreddits for our niche. Copy the one you want. Go to n8n. Click on Execute Workflow. Paste the subreddit here. And you can enter up to 3 keywords that you want to search for. I'm going to enter something like Zoom fatigue, distraction at home, too many meetings. Now select the number of posts you want to research on Reddit and click Submit. After we submit the form, the workflow will begin executing and the workflow has been successfully executed. Now let's open our Google Drive. As you can see, it has generated a detailed report for each keyword we entered. The report highlights the key challenges people face, the reviews, the existing solutions, identifies the gaps that remain, and finally suggests potential ideas that could really make a difference. So if you're looking to start a new product or a service in this industry or niche, you can save a lot of time in finding the right market gaps and opportunities. And that's it. This is how we can get startup ideas from Reddit. So go ahead and try it out. The first step is launching n8n from WebSpace Kit. So just click here and it will take you to the same page that we saw in the beginning. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.